Crypto Jimbo here. I love AI and I love crypto. So when the two come together, it's, that's an explosion, in case you couldn't tell. Today, I'm looking at an AI project. It is called Grape. And again, thankfully, if I'm looking at crypto projects and I'm actually excited about them, they're not a meme token. They are actually doing something. They're using crypto and the blockchain in a way that it was meant to be used. But this is Grape. Their token is GRP. And even if you're not into crypto, I think you should at least understand crypto's a part of your future if you're in this world, okay? So you should understand how it works and what's out there. Also, when I look into these projects and I kind of look, is there a way for me to make money from it? Again, I want to remind you, I'm not trying to make as much money as I can to go buy a yacht or something like that. But for this one, I'm looking to make some extra money for Project Rescue, which is through my church, Christ Place here in Lincoln, but it's helping women get out of trafficking. So that's a good motivation. Hey, let's see if there's a way we can make some extra money to help with things like this. So what is Grape? Again, not a meme token. It's not just another coin out there, but Grape is trying to be kind of the infrastructure for decentralized internet. So they want to be a base chain, where games and AI can run on. But one thing that really sets Grape apart is they use DAG instead of a traditional chain. And that might not mean anything to you. So education portion. Where do we go here? Professor Pelton. But you can think of normal blockchain like a teacher who's grading papers. And so if 30 people have tests, they give their 30 papers to the teacher grades them one by one. It works okay, but it can be slow. And if you get, 300 students, it can take a long time for them all to get graded. Well, DAG is more like getting the students together in little groups and saying you grade each other's papers and then I'll kind of oversee all of it. Tech people might not like that I explained it that way, but I'm going to do it. Professor Pelton out. But that's why they can say, 700,000 transactions per second, while Bitcoin, how many transactions per second does Bitcoin get? I was going to say 12, but it's 7. So Bitcoin blockchain can do 7 transactions per second, whereas a DAG like Grape can do 700,000 per second. See, that opens up new possibilities. So, and one thing I think is interesting, it's not quite ready to go. It's close. They say Q4, and we're getting there. But Anne, or Annie, or N. But this is going to make it so you don't have to write smart contracts by hand. You don't have to be a programmer and get in there to write your smart contracts for crypto. But you can use AI, kind of an AI assistant for writing smart contracts. I think that could be a game changer. That could be very exciting. Okay, great. So how do you make money? Most people watch my channel because they want to make money. I understand this. But the first way is buying tokens, okay? In crypto, a lot of things, if they're good projects and they work out well, you buy the token and the token price goes up. It's kind of like buying equity in a business. If you buy equity early in a business, this is early for Grape. If you buy equity early in something like Amazon, or something that ends up being big, that can make you a lot of money. Now, there's also some risk with that because when it's early, you don't really know what's going to hit, what's going to not hit. But you can buy Grape tokens and then you basically have a part of the project. And when they get Annie out, people start building on this DAG. They start making money. Then you will make money as the token price appreciates. That's the first way. So the second way is when they're ready to launch, they're going to need validators, which is basically my illustration. Do I need to get the glasses back out? No, I think you remember Professor Pelton. The teacher needs processing power to make sure everything is, being graded and working properly. So you can offer yourself as a validator to the ecosystem and they will give you rewards for that. So, and as we get closer to the launch of mainnet, I can even walk you through instructions on how to do that. So, and the third way you could make money is building something on Grape. So when they launch and when they're ready, that's what I'm a builder, so that's what I'm excited to do. But for now, the best way is just buying the token. If this looks interesting to you, you think, hey, this is pretty cool, you can buy the token and wait and see what it does. So they've got a small market cap, about $6 million, so there's a lot of room for it to go up. This is one token that I am excited about, mainly because of the AI connection. So let me know in the comments, does that sound interesting to you? What do you think about Grape? Let me know. So if you are interested in buying, they have this buy Grape button and then Grape quick buy. Then you put in down here how much you want to buy, hit buy coin now. You can use credit card. But I will be doing future videos on Grape, especially when they launch and able to build some things on it. I will definitely be doing that. Appreciate you guys watching. Let me know in the comments, is anybody watching who's a person? I want to applaud you for learning about something that you don't already know. Thank you for letting me do what I do. God bless you all and have a great rest of the day.